Hey guys, so we're in Mykonos, Greece, September 15, 2014. And we're on this sailing expedition, a little cruise, 6-hour cruise that we're here with a bunch of new friends that we just made. Beautiful day. We are about 20 minutes out from the port, and we're going to the island of Rhynia. How do you spell the island? We're going to Rhynia.
It's so much better.
Rhynia. And
also the big gallows.
The big dollars. And that is Alicia,
That's right.
half Italian.
So she's
from
like that kind of right. No.
How do you say your name? I wasn't even close. Alessia. That's even better.
Like Malaysia.
Nice. And you are Osas. These are. You're from. Nice. Yeah, the real deal. Are you friends from Boston? What are your names, guys? You're, where are you from? One day. Cool. They're friends from the U.S. Nice, from Detroit. And New City, right? Cool. Really? Nice. Cool. Which one? Oh well. We want to know if I was. And our friends from the West Coast, Seattle and California.
I think I might
And Lee from Seattle. What's up, guys? He's got a Seahawks t-shirt on, so you know. I think there's a fan going on. They're pretty strong this year. And Jersey Shore. What up? Yeah, GTL baby, GTL. What's up, guys? Introduce yourselves. Chris?
This is Chris.
And
this is Allie.
Allie. They're here on their 5th year anniversary. Fifth
honeymoon.
5th honeymoon.
I like that. I'm definitely gonna use that. You gotta thank Allie for that.
Right. Pandora's box. Just blew it all open.
Giles counts.
It does. It does. And you are Andrea from Bolivia. Wow.
Living in Romania now.
In Romania. Wow, that's even crazy. That's awesome. What do you do in Romania? Wow. Oil field. Man, that's crazy because we're from Louisiana. There's a lot of oil field based work in Louisiana.
I went there recently.
You went to Louisiana?
To New Orleans, yes.
No way. That's cool.
Good time.
Good fun. Yeah. Whatever happens to New Orleans, stay in New Orleans. Did you get some beads? Did you earn some beads?
Did you drink?
Of course.